This review is of Simms Beef Sausage Snack Sticks. Alright, here are the ingredients and nutrition facts. Nothing funny there. It is gluten-free. Let's try them out. You know, just once I'd like to have an original flavored stick that isn't like everybody else's. Okay, I'm not having luck getting this open. I'm probably going to need to use my scissors. Ah, oh, my gosh. I sealed this one too well. There we go. Unfortunately, opening it did damage the bag. It did rip. Yeah, it smells like a typical beef stick. Typical seasoning. I assume that you can see this. Yeah, so it has a thinner skin than a lot of the other snack sticks that I've tried. And the flavor compared to some of them is relatively mild, but still pronounced. It's quite soft. If you're looking for a standard stick, this is going to be a good choice for people, especially if you would like one that is soft and not too strong. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.